Okay. Super.
Careful, careful. It's sharp.
What's the road? Stay right there.
Okay. You move your hand. Stay on the cover. This is sharp. Okay. Look at it. Show them.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Wow. What's inside the box? Can you?
Oh, a squirrel.
What else? This one.
Show
is-
it here.
What are the animals? Can you put here? We have a lion. A lioness. Oh no, this is a lion cub. Can you find the lioness? Yeah, lioness.
Or this one. With that.
That's the tree trunk.
Yeah. The other one. A bigger elephant.
Here. The mommy elephant. Oh no. And then the baby elephant.
And the baby panda.
It's not the baby panda. I have the baby panda. You thought that's the baby panda?
Yeah.
How about the penguins? I can see the penguins over there.
This is the same.
Yeah. Can you find the penguins?
Find first all the animals,
I
Abrielle.
found the baby penguin.
Where?
And the
I found a deer.
I found piglin.
Tala mo sa kanya ano yung hawak mo.
How about this? What animal is this? Do you know
Hey.
this?
You know it. Look closely.
Alpaca.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Alpaca or llama? It's a llama.
No, it's an alpaca.
Okay.
How about that?
Dad, give me the leaf right there, the tree. Yeah, and the floor.
Where?
Right there, hiding with the flower.
Abrielle, are you happy with your toy?
Oh, there's a lot of animals here.
Abrielle, how do you feel?
Oh, oh.
Oh, it's a parrot.
That's a peacock.
Abrielle, look at mommy. How do you feel?
Happy.
How about this?
What will you say to daddy?
Is that Christmas tree?
It's a pine tree.
Abrielle, what will you say to daddy?
Ang dami.
I like it.
And what?
There's a black bear and a polar bear.
Abrielle,
Is
you're
this the
not
mommy?
listening.
What's mommy's calling you?
What will you say to daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, me, bro. See you later, alligator.
He's biting my finger, Daddy. Oh, no.
A raccoon.
Okay, organize the toys, Abrielle, and we'll
Look,
see
there's a
you
book.
later.
Oh, there's a book, Abel.
Oh, yeah.
There are instructions. Oh,
I think you need to...
there's a story too. The alpaca and the toucan, they met, and oh, there's a story, and then you will make it.
Oh, yes.
You will follow the instructions to make it. Look, can you make this? Do you think you can make this?
No.
No? You need help?
You need help?
I like to do this and this.
And then oh, there's a slide. Oh.
Abrielle, you need help?
Can I borrow one of your tree?
No,
Okay.
you don't need help.
I'll put the slide on the tree.
And I'll put. Look! Daddy, I made it!
Look, there's a slide.
Daddy, look!
What? Who do you want to?
I
How about you put the parrot?
Put the parrot on top. It's on your feet.
Look, April.
On your feet.
Wow.
Abrielle, on your feet. Look at your feet.
Wow, April, look.
Wow, Abrielle. There's a map. Is that a map?
So you know where the animals live, like the black bear. I don't know what this is.
The elephant
The
is
toucans.
the wrong way. Oh
What?
no.
Where should it be?
Where does the elephant live?
Africa.
Africa.
And also the lions. How about the
Africa too.
Africa?
Panda. Japan.
Monkey.
China.
China ba yan?
Monkey too. Woo-hoo-ha.
Look, oh, cherry trees.
Look, elephant.
Yan yung ano, playmat. Yan yung playmat. So, ilalapag nyo. Then you need to build all of those, Abrielle. That's a playmat.
And then you can make the trees here. And then you can put the elephant over here.
Where's this? Oh,
Look, found a bird.
Is that easy to assemble, Abrielle?
yeah.
You
Okay.
think? It's nice because it's big.
What kind of toy do you have on... Abrielle, what kind of toy do you have?
Oh,
Whoa.
There's animal sounds.
what kind of animal is this?
Abrielle, what kind of toy is this? Oh, it's a bird. What kind of toy is that? Is that a Lego? Abrielle is not listening. Abrielle's not listening to mommy.
My what?
What kind of toy do you have now? Puzzle? No. What? What kind of toy do you have?
Oh,
What kind of toy do you have?
animals.
Animals Lego toy.
Animals like a toy.
It's a Lego toy. Lego and Duplo. Any more animals over here? Monkey. Oh!
What's that?
Pineapple. Yum, yum, yum. Let's see the map. It's about pineapple.
It's a play mat.
Oh, the
Oh.
panda has 2 kids.
Yeah.
But
Why is this Lego block white and blue?
it's for the penguins.
Penguins?
Yes, it has
Yes,
the same
you're
blocks. Because he will
It's the
live.
eyes.
He's the queen.
The queen?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
that child. He's
How
bad.
did you know that? How did you know that?
Because I watched the TV goes with those and then I with different toys.
Okay.
Hey, you're bugging me.
I will give this banana to the monkey. Where's the monkey?
He's right there.
There.
He's. Look at us. We are the queen.
Banana. Can hold the banana. I like your toy. Can you play with daddy with your toys?
Yes. I'll give the monkey the banana. Where's the banana?
How about we make some trees?
They will hit them. Hi.
Hi. What do you want to make? Can you show me? You show. You take care of your book, okay? Don't tear the pages off. How about that? Do you like that? The monkey and the cherry blossom tree.
I want this one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to make that.
Try to make it one by one. And then put it on the play mat.
You can put that. Oh, okay. You should put the. It should be the same colors. No.
Why don't you try to read the
There.
book? Oh, yeah.
This is the same.
But you should make the same color.
But look, I got the same.
Yeah.
Don't put
You
this.
want to put that on top.
You give Daddy the guide, the booklet.
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah, you give it
Take
to
care of
him.
your book.
I think that's wrong. Because they're different colors. Should be the same color.
Oh, I found it.
Yeah, you give to Daddy to change.
That is wrong. That is super wrong.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Need this white one. Slide.
Can you give this to me? This one?
Find it.
I found it's right there.
Okay.
But there's a yellow one. Daddy, look it. There's a yellow one and a green
I need
one.
the green one.
It's not like that.
How about this? Can you hand this over to me?
Tulungan mo muna siya doon. Mali nga yung ginawa mo.
Oh, right there. This
No,
one.
I need the dark brown. I'll help you with that.
Yeah. The biggest one's like a slide.
You want it to be taller?
Is that right already?
Yeah.
Or give the dark one to Daddy.
I have it.
No, not like that. You check the guide. So you want it taller.
There's
You check the guide. I think that's wrong. You want it to look like that.
the carrot.
Okay.
Why? Hey, what's what? I'm
Oh,
sorry.
you want a taller look, Abrielle?
But look at mine.
Oh, that's nice.
The parrot will have a slide. Now he's on the top. Oh. And he will go to slide. He will bump the mommy panda.
No, don't bump her.
I bumped the bird. My
You did? Oh no.
oh, oh no. They're fighting, Daddy. Daddy, the parrot and birds are fighting,
Why
Daddy.
did you make them fight?
Why are they fighting?
It was if he bumped my panda and the bird.
How about he just say sorry and no fighting? Make him say sorry.
No. It's pretending.
I's pretending.
No. I don't like to say sorry to you. Hey, girl. Mommy, what is it? I want to eat food. Hi. Look what I got the top. He's hurting my outfit.
Tell him don't do that.
No, I'll not do that. I'll not say that again. I need the book.
did?
Yeah.
She needs.
Oh, you need the book?
She needs it.
Here.
Whoa! What is that? Look at Daddy's tree.
It's nice.
Mommy,
I think it's for the pandas and the monkey.
look at it. Where's the monkey?
Find it.
Find it. Help me find the monkey. It's over there.
Naughty bong. Mom. Naughty monkey.
Oh, you put the monkey on top of the tree. And the banana.
Where's my banana? Where's my banana? Nom, nom, nom.
You put the monkey.
Ooh, ooh, ha, ha.
You take care of your toy, okay? Don't lose some pieces. When you're done playing, put them back in the box, okay?
Okay. I cannot put it. There's one more.
That's
It's different.
yeah. That's a different one.
I want. It's a bloom flowers.
It's a what?
A bloom flower. It's stinky.
It's not. It's not
Wow.
stinky.
It's the stinky flower.
Yeah, it's a bloom. Oh no.
There!
There, done. Put it here on the.
Where's the monkey?
He's on the.
Find the monkey, bro.
He's right on the tree. On the cherry tree.
Here. Make some noise, bro.
Oh, it's some.
Wait, I think Abrielle, your ones is not right. Look at your clothes, Abrielle. It's not right.
What?
Why not?
That one is the back one.
This one?
Should be the back one. Yeah. The zipper should be in front.
Where?
Put up at the zipper.
Oh dear. Who put that on? Who put that on? You? Who? Daddy? Oh dear.
I got the same flower.
Oh, you want to put it?
The monkeys.
Fell.
Okay, here. There's nothing place.
You can. I'll move this one. Oh, I can't move it.
That's too much flowers, I think. That's for other trees. Or no? Ah, no, it's not. It's all
Oh, you can put here.
there.
On the front.
Put it at the center.
Right there. You're wrong, guys. Oh. Ay!
I think you need to get the more of the pink one.
But this is not wrong.
Yeah, you put it all on one tree.
Look. They're not.
It's okay. You can mix them up.
Bakit napunit yung box? Ay.
Abrielle, the
Yeah.
box.
Move back, move back.
Move one back. Oh dear.
Napunit.
Wait a minute. This is the same like the flower.
Yeah.
Like the same like the tree.
What color?
Red. Look at this blue flower. It's have different shapes. It's look like a star.
The
Okay.
blue flower.
And this green one. And this orange.
Can you show me
one.
the shapes? Okay.
My, look at them.
Mm.
There's green, orange, blue.
Okay.
My, look at this.
Yeah.
Don't look at me with your eyes. Ta-da!
Okay. Hey,
You bumped.
What's next, guys?
What's next? Careful, don't.
I want to the crocodile.
Crocodile?
Give me the blue one. Right there. That's the pond. And the other one. Oh no! It's splitting up.
It's splitting up. There you go.
There you go.
Crocodile.
What else can live in the water?
It goes.
How about the turtle?
Here. On the box.
It goes. Crocodiles cannot breathe on the surface. It goes. They're gonna die.
Why?
They can.
I think they can both live on water and on the surface, on the land.
Yeah, it goes. They're gonna die, and he want to breathe there and don't like. It goes. He don't like, and yes, and he don't like, and yes, every day.
What?
I cannot.
So silly.
It's the same.
Yeah, Abrielle, crocodile can live both in land and water.
Look, it's the same.
Diba you saw in the videos, Abrielle, that there are crocodiles on the pond.
Yeah, and then you see a baby crocodile.
You saw a crocodile in real life already?
Yeah.
Where?
Too big. Then I saw a baby crocodile.
Did you touch it?
The tail.
The tail.
But I'm scared to carry it. I'm super scared.
Who carried the crocodile?
No, the crocodile.
Who carried the crocodile if he didn't carry it?
It's Tito Josh.
Sticky Josh. May whale ba? No.
Why is it not working?
You ask Daddy to fix it. Ask for help. You ask for help, Abrielle. Abrielle, ask for help. Okay. What's next?
They're all the same.
Really?
Yeah. And look.
Yeah.
Do you see them?
Yeah.
They're all the same.
Just different colors.
Is this done?
Mommy panda.
Panda.
Next.
Next tree. What's the next one?
Where's this April? I gave this to you. The one with the button.
You looking at?
Oh, I found it.
Oh yeah. And this one, and the coconut tree, I have it.
What is that? What kind of tree is that?
Can you give me one of the
Oh, is that a polar bear?
Look, say, the parent have to go up. And then this kind of weird. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Lego and Duplo toys. Bye.
I got my toys. I just built it by myself.
By yourself!
With Daddy.
Or with daddy?
With my daddy.
What's that?
What's that?
What did you
A
pick?
cow bear.
It lives in the Atlantic. What else?
The bird go to the tree and with the
Yeah.
bear
North America.
and squirrel live at the tree and birds too.
Yeah.
Okay.
In South Africa. What do we have there?
What do you have?
The monkey is missing.
There.
Under the tree.
Yeah, he's hiding.
Show
Where does
me.
the-
Show me the sound of the monkey. Ay, show me the action of the monkey.
Not like that. Where does the koala live?
Where is it?
Hmm.
Which part of the world? Oh,
In
there.
Australia.
Australia.
Australia. Where did the live?
Turtle.
Live.
I think I can see Nemo. Where's Nemo?
Find Nemo.
Find Nemo.
Where's Nemo?
This is a drawing.
Just mommy's joking. It's not true. Where should we put the
Oh
pineapple?
my gosh. That one.
Where
What?
should we put the pineapple? Oh, it's there. She found it.
Look.
How did you find where the pineapple is to be put?
How did you know?
Oh, okay.
I think the baby elephant is dead.
Ah, she fainted because she's in the water.
No, he's sleeping.
She's swimming.
No, he's sleeping.
Oh, he's sleeping. That's all.
Okay.
Look at the big lion. He's
Can-
gonna sleep.
Oh, okay. Can you open the door?
Yeah. Don't touch that lion, Daddy.
Why?
Right. Careful.
He will bite you.
How about the penguin?
Too
Can
bright.
the
Too bright.
too bright? Can the penguin do the slide?
I just need to remove this. He fell down. Penguins have to go to the ocean and north.
North Pole?
North and ocean. He have to go both of them
Okay. Why?
because penguins can swim. Wah! And penguins don't. And it goes, where's that turtle?
Where?
The turtle will go here and take the ice.
And